Subscribe to the Vedanta Vision YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload a new inspirational video.
The moment you understand that you've been blessed with abundance, you will not complain. You won't look for fulfilling yourself through desires. And then you'll have all the time in the world, and your mind will be free to focus on repaying back to society, paying back to your family, paying back to the nation, paying back to that divine power that has blessed you with so many things. And this is what is outstanding about all givers. So let's take a brief look at takers versus givers. Number one, takers believe that the world has been created for my pleasure, and therefore I must help myself. Whereas givers believe that the world is meant for all of us, and the giver makes space for everyone. Takers are always functioning out of a sense of deprivation, and so they shamelessly go about grabbing things. Givers are acutely aware of the abundance that they have, and therefore they feel this irresistible urge to share. You know, Sant Tukaram, he was always living in poverty. And one day his children wanted some sugarcane to eat. So he went out of his way to get himself some tiny job that he did. And with the money that he got for it, he bought a whole lot of sugarcane, thinking that he'd go home and give it to his children. Now, on the way home, every child who he passed by, he felt, you see, the thing is, he did not feel a sense of separateness between his children and somebody else's children. So the moment any other child came and asked him for sugarcane, he went about distributing the sugarcane. Till in the end, when he went home, he had only one piece of sugarcane. But what is interesting is that one piece of sugarcane, he broke into two and gave them to his children, and his children enjoyed them thoroughly. So this is it. This sense of sharing is something that a giver automatically has. A taker is one who causes wanton destruction around him, to others, and most importantly to himself. Whereas a giver is one who functions in such a way that everybody prospers. He prospers, everyone else around him prospers. A taker always believes that he's right. A giver is one who's open to correction. A taker is always dissatisfied. A giver is always content. Take this example of Shabari and Sudama, two of the poorest people in the world, and yet they were supremely content. Takers are profoundly lonely. They feel this crushing sense of loneliness, even though they're in the company of people. Givers blend and harmonize with all, with any kind of people. Takers are insecure. They always feel that somebody else is going to grab what they have. A giver is never insecure, always secure. Now, this is the most important thing. When you are a taker, your desires increase, means you accumulate garbage. When you're a giver, your desires reduce.